Hey guys, this is Baby Snow and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you yung isang opportunity na mag-earn tayo ng Matic or Paul. And it's about Matic Various. Alright, so actually it's Matic Various, but since maybe yung developer nito is from somewhere India, we don't know, pero yung Various niya naging Various. Okay, so na-amaze lang ako sa project nito kasi sobrang laki nung pool, nung contract niya, nung smart contract. So, alam naman natin na when it comes to smart contract, the developer doesn't have any access on it. So, yep, na-excite ako kasi we can be part of profit sharer of this platform. So, bibisitahin natin yan mamaya. Lagyan lang natin ng konting review. And I just joined today. Okay? So, ang maganda dito, once you joined, magkakaroon ka ng free 10 polygon rewards or what they call airdrop. Okay? So, it's an actual Pol coin. So, alam natin kung magkano yung value ng Pol ngayon. So, Pol is one of my favorite crypto. And, of course, I have some projects na nag-earn tayo ng Pol. So, but unfortunately, nothing is 100% guaranteed. So, kailangan natin ng backup. Okay? Backup plans. So, to earn or to generate more Polygon token. So, ito yung isa sa napili kong project. And it's already launched 2 months ago. So, 2 months old na itong platform na to. And I heard from the person who shared me this opportunity na yung ano nito, yung developer nito is pinaubayan na niya sa community yung project. So, wala nang access yung dev nito. And, yun, surprisingly, lalo pang lumaki yung pool. Okay, so, ko lang to guys. This is a review guys, no? And I'm just sharing my journey with this project. So, na-amaze ako. Kita nyo naman guys yung mga transactions. So, every minute, super active yung contract. And a lot of people are registering, depositing. Ayan, so wala pa akong nakitang withdraw. Okay? Don't worry, I will research more about this project. Kilala niyo naman ako, when I saw an opportunity, hindi ako nagdadalawang isip, basta nakita ko na merong opportunity talaga. I quickly grabbed this before doing research. So, and by the way, hindi naman tayo lugi kasi meron tayong makukuhang free 10 na Polygon token. At saka hindi naman ganun kalaki yung i-risk natin. So, kailangan lang natin dito ng at least $5 minimum worth of Pol. And ayun, makukuha natin tong free 10 na to. And yeah, we'll see kung paano mag-run yung sistema nito. No? So, this is very unique project. It's a smart contract, 100% decentralized. And eto na nga, tingnan natin yung transactions niya. Grabe guys. In just 2 months, there are 164,000 total transactions. And guess what? Ito yung malupit. There are 613,044 Polygon dito sa contract niya, dito sa contract balance. Can you imagine? Grabe po. Ayan, 287,523. And alam natin na itong pool na to is, yan yung i-distribute or ito yung pinaghahati-hatian ng lahat ng members. So, depende na lang sa status ng account mo. And yun nga, aaralin ko pa siya, pero nakita ko yung big opportunity dito. Okay? So, ayun nga, very active kasi nakasalalay sa community ang isang project, lalo na kung ito ay smart contract, nakasalalay yan sa contract. So, kapag maraming nagpa-participate at super active yung community, so it means a long-term project at maraming makikinabang na mga members. So, ang dami kasi ngayon na mga platforms na talagang hindi tumatagal no? So, kailangan natin ng mga backups or backup plans. So, I'm just an investor of this project. I don't know the developer. One of their leaders, maybe, yung nag-send sa akin ng link, hindi ko kilala. Pero, yep, whenever someone sends me a link, sine-check ko muna. And then, when I found out na mayroon siyang potential, then I grab it and start to research, do some research. And yun, I'm an action taker. Ginagrab ko muna siya before I I make a research. Kasi syempre, action taker tayo, no? So, mahirap mapag-iwanan, 'di ba? So, sabi ko nga, hindi naman ganun kalaki yung i-risk. So, why not? So, eto na. Grabe yung contract niya. Ang laki ng balance, 'di ba? So, yan. So, ang laki ng potential. Pwede tayong maging part ng mga profit sharer ng project nito. Okay? So, after the contract, ito balikan natin yung dashboard. So, very unique. Ayan, hindi katulad ng ibang mga smart contracts na pare-pareho, mga copycat, 'di ba? So, ito, nakaka-amaze yung user interface niya. And tingnan natin no yung aking account information or social links. But tinry ko lahat 'yan and nothing works. Ito lang nagwo-work yung YouTube at saka yung Telegram. So, when you click on Facebook, it will come back to the site again. Ayan. And then, same with the other ones. So, siguro, yung dev nga nito is talagang pinaubayan na sa community yung project. So, and yun nga, nakaka-amaze lang kasi lumago siya ng bongga. So, napaka-strong nung community nito. And then, sa Telegram, pag kinlik natin to, ayan, mapupunta tayo sa Telegram and let's open the chat. Ayan, I've joined the Telegram channel and look, there are lots of people na nag-view no, dito sa mga news ni Matic Various. So, meron dito active, super active yung channel. Ayan, and they keep on updating the community. And I think siguro nag-take over na yung mga top leaders lang dito. Okay? So, ayan yung channel you can join. There are 1,756 subscribers. And then, yeah. So, dito naman, pakita natin yung account ko, guys. So, dito, investment. Let's see. Hindi ko pa ito nabisita kasi. Okay, it's unclickable. Contest. Ayan, babalik lang din siya dito. So, dito naman, make a deposit. Ayan, ito yung nagwo-work na mga buttons. Withdrawals, ayan, it's working din. So, of course, I don't have balance yet kasi kaka-join ko pa lang. Ayan, so tingnan natin. Dito sa make a deposit, ayan, we need this when we are going to register. Dito tayo pupunta sa make a deposit. But, I will upload a separate video nga on how to register kasi medyo iba kasi to. So, nung una naligaw-ligaw ako sa pagre-register. Kaya, I will upload a registration process para dun sa mga interesado to participate from this project. So, ngayon, since I registered on this project already, I can now click on wallet statistics kung saan nandito yung yung status no ng membership natin. So, nakuha ko yung 10 na free poll. Okay? And I don't have team yet, of course, kasi hindi pa ako nag nito. So, kaka-join ko lang ngayon. And yeah, yun nga, kakasend lang sa akin, chinek ko yung contract, chinek ko yung website, and that's it. Nag-register agad ako. So, eto, meron siyang M50 team, M50 capping, direct businesses, total businesses. So, marami siya. Okay? Medyo marami akong aaralin, pero sabi ko nga, I'm an action taker. And here's my referral link. So, andito lahat, not very transparent. Okay? Kakaiba siya kasi. So, meron akong nakitang project na almost the same name, pero core naman yung crypto doon. It's working. So, I am connected with the top leader of that project, pero hindi ako nag-join. But he's making good amount of money from that project. But since na-launch na yun ng, I think, nauna yung kaysa dito, no? So, I'm not a big fan of Core. Yan, it's the same cryptocurrency. Mas big fan ako ng Matic or ng Pol. Kaya dito ako nag-join. Okay? Yun, magkapareho siya. Matic Various. And that one is Core Various naman. So, na-interest lang ako kasi kung nag-earn yung top leader na yun sa Core Various, it means we can also make good amount of Pol here from this project. Okay? So, ayan, puntahan natin yung dito sa wallet stats ba yun? So, tingnan lang natin, guys. Ayan, nabisita na pala natin to, guys. So, makikita nyo dito yung history dito sa make a deposit. Okay? When we click make deposit, ayan, lalabas din yung history natin, no? So, dun sa mga new registrations, para magamit natin yung 10 na free, Okay? Kailangan nating pumunta sa make new deposit. Dito nga. And then, tatype lang natin dito 5. And then, dito yung wallet address natin, guys, ha? Yung sarili mong wallet address. And then, dito yung security PIN. Kasi once nag-register ka dito, manghihingi siya ng security PIN. So, isave nyo yun. And every time you do transactions, kailangan nyo yan. Okay? Tapos, click nyo yung deposit now. So, ganun yung ginawa ko. And, eto na yung naging history ng wallet. So, meron pa akong natitira na 5.69. So, yung free natin na 10 pol ay gagamitin pala natin yon sa registration. So, I mean, magagamit natin sa ating registration. So, ayan. Kasi meron siyang split wallet, something like that. So, yun nga, magaling yung developer nito. So, nagawa niya yung mga ganong klase ng mechanism para mag-participate. So, kakaiba talaga siya. Kaya nag-interest ako. And then, ito yung investment ko. So, worth $5. I don't know if it's Polygon or 5. Basta tinype ko lang yung 5. Bumawas dun sa aking wallet is, let's check. Ayan, dito sa activity. Ito yung bumawas, guys. So, December 19, yeah. $3 worth. Okay? So, bumawas ng 6.46 Matic. So, $3 lang ang worth niya. So, ibig sabihin pala dito, guys, it's not depending on Pol, but in dollars. Okay? So, maganda rin siya. Ayan. So, ito guys yung bumawas, no? 6.4. So, tinype ko yung 5. It means $5 talaga siya, not in Polygon. So, kung magkano yung nasa pre natin, bumawas yung iba doon, and then 3. So, bumawas yung $2 dito, no, sa 10 free poll natin, which is I think 4.31. Yeah, 4.31 Matic or poll. Okay? And then yung the rest para makumpleto yung $5 is ibinawas naman sa MetaMask wallet balance natin. That's why, ayan, 3.08 USD yung nabawas dito. Okay? So, ganun pala yun. And then, eto na. Ayan na nga yung history niya. Lahat naman ng transactions is makikita natin dito, no? So, pwede na natin i-click yung view history here. Alright? So, ayun. Eto na yung naging transaction. And date is December 20. Okay? December 19 dito, pero yung time niya kasi siguro is naka-base dun sa sa creators what do you call that? Yung oras nila. Okay, so yun yung bumawas dito sa ayan, 4.31 debit amount. I don't know what's that. So, basta yan, makikita natin lahat dito. Okay? So, ayan, isa pa lang, no, ang transaction ko. Ito, split wallet, ito yung sinasabi ko. And then, my investment, ayan, $5. My reinvestment, wala pa. Total investment is 5. Total withdrawn, wala. So, yun. So far, ayan pa lang, guys. Okay? And, yeah, I will update you for the progress of my account here. Okay? You can also research about Matic Various. Nag-research ako, ayan, 2 months ago, nilaunch yung project. Maraming mga leaders na nagpo-promote. Ayan, iba't ibang lahi. Merong Nigerian, merong India, ayan, mostly. I don't see any Filipino yet from this project. So, kahit na launch na siya 2 months ago, as long as there's a big potential here, ay igagrab ko yan. Okay? So, it's up to you if you want to join, kung gusto nyo sumabay. Okay? Basta, I will do video tutorials from now on about this project, and there are ayan, no, guys, magte-trending to. So, 16 hours ago, ayan, you can do research, and let's see what will happen next. Okay? So, that's my update, guys, and I have upcoming projects, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit this little bell icon here para lagi kayong updated. So, thank you, guys, and again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye!